Here are 5 things that are worth a visit on the Oregon coast. Anywhere in the Columbia River Gorge is exciting to visit, but Multnomah Falls is a must-see. Only 35 minutes east of Portland and a straight shot on I-84, the falls are impressive and towering. At the time I was there, the trail to the top of the falls was closed for maintenance, but it's possible to go up and see the start of the falls. Our next stop is Dog Mountain. The trailhead of Dog Mountain is about 35 minutes away from Multnomah Falls. The parking lot is on the left side of the road and can be missed if you're not paying attention. You have to pay for parking, so you can either use the paper system at the parking lot or go on recreation.gov to pay. This hike is a 6.8 mile loop and can get pretty steep at times. However, the views are worth it. During this trip, we didn't make it to the top since it was overcast and dangerously windy. But we did make it to a lower point and got to see a great view of the Columbia River Gorge. Another must-see is Clatsop Trail in Yaquina State Park. This is a popular spot for surfers to surf in the beach below. The trail itself is 2.8 miles in a deeply forested area. The climb to the top is a steady one, but you will be rewarded with amazing views of the ocean once you get to the top. And of course the famous Cannon Beach to see Haystack Rock. This beach is an hour and a half away from Portland and a 45-minute drive south of Astoria. Walking on the beach is beautiful, and Haystack Rock is an impressive landmark to behold. When you're ready to go back into town, there are lots of quaint shops and delicious restaurants to eat at. The last stop is Yaquina Head Tide Pools. It's easy to spend hours here. During low tide, you can see starfish, crabs, and lots of anemones. Seal Rock is close by, and many seals swim in the bay if you want to catch a glimpse. The next chance you get, go out to the Oregon coast. It won't disappoint. Thanks for watching.